Hey everybody, welcome back to Cooking with James. I'm your host James. Today we are going to be doing chicken wings on the Blackstone Griddle. We're going to get a nice good crust on them and we'll show you how to do it. So let's go ahead and get right into the cook. Okay, this is what we got. We got some chicken wings here, some drumettes, some flats. I got 10 of them. Now the key thing for this to get a crispy skin is all we're going to do is I just got some kosher salt here, and we're going to give a good seasoning to both sides of these. And then what you're going to want to do is after you salt them, that's just salt. After you salt them, we're going to stick them in the fridge for an hour. So I'm going to salt these up. Okay, we got them all salted, as you can see. I don't know if you can see the salt. Anyway, the salt's on there. So we're going to stick these in the fridge for 1 hour, and then we'll be back. Alright guys, quick explanation. The reason why you want to salt your wings and put them in the fridge for an hour is the salt and then the coolness of the fridge is going to draw some of that moisture out. It's going to help you get a crispier skin. So that's why you want to do it for sure. So it's been almost an hour. I'm going to grab them out of the fridge, bring them out here and season them up. Okay, so we pulled them out of the fridge. They've been sitting there for an hour, and that's going to pull some of the moisture out. And all we're going to do is season them up. I got some Heath Riles honey chipotle rub and Heath Riles sweet barbecue rub. Let's get these things seasoned up. Alright, we got them all seasoned up. Everything's good. Let's go over to the Blackstone. Alright, so what we got here is the 36-inch Blackstone Griddle. As you can see, I have 4 knobs, which is 4 heat zones. What I'm going to be doing is turning the 2 left ones to a medium high and keeping the far right ones on low. Okay, so the griddle is 350 degrees. So what we're going to do, I just got some regular vegetable oil. Go ahead and put a bunch of that down. We're also going to be adding just a nice little pat of butter. Throw that on there. Alright, let's go ahead and throw our wings on. We're going to give these just a few minutes and then start turning them. I'll let you know how long it's been. See you in a minute. Okay guys, it's been about 3 minutes, so we're going to go ahead and take a look and see what they look like. So let's go ahead and give them a flip. After about 3 minutes. Okay guys, it's actually been another 4 minutes, so let's take a look and see what we got. And looking phenomenal. I mean, can't really see on the camera, but we'll get you a final shot. So they're looking good. About 7 minutes in or so. So we're gonna leave them. I did turn the burners down to low. Okay, it's been another almost 2 minutes, so I'm just going to take a temperature reading of some of these and see where we're at. Internal temperature, 180, 81 degrees, looking good, they're done. So what I'm going to do, just give them a quick toss. Any spots that you see that might need a little crisping up. Oh, they're looking beautiful. They are looking beautiful. Absolutely. Alright, so I'm going to give this just 1 more minute. I'm going to throw some barbecue sauce on it. We'll see you in a minute. Alright guys, this has been about 30 seconds or so. I just got some of your original Sweet Baby Ray's. I'm going to go ahead and throw that on there. and give it a good stir. Oh, the smell is phenomenal. We'll give it like a minute or so and take them off and we'll be done. Alright guys, I just tossed them for about a minute or so and they are good to go. We're going to put them on the plate and give you a taste test. Okay, we're finished with the cook, and as you can see, they turned out phenomenal. Yes, look at that. Let's get you another close-up. Anyway, let's wrap this thing up. See you in a minute. Okay, we're finished with the cook. It's getting dark out here. I don't want to bring my lights out, but let's just show you what we ended up with. Just let's see if we can actually get it, the lighting, but anyway, they're really good. They're really good. I mean, perfect. Good skin, good everything. So that's how you do chicken wings on the Blackstone Griddle. Pretty simple. It took like 15 minutes maybe to do it all. So anyway, if you're new to the channel, please think about subscribing if you like the content. Make sure to drop a comment, share this video and all that good stuff. I'm gonna enjoy the rest of these. This is for dinner tonight with some mac and cheese and some other stuff. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you on the next cook.